coming in, the TDP has also made its stance extremely clear. The TDP says that a whip has been issued to its MPs to be present in the parliament and support in favor of the Waqf bill. In fact, Chandrababu Naidu has given the nod to support the Waqf bill, and sources say that he has asked the amendments. He had requested for 3 amendments, which the centre has actually accepted. So Shomit is joining us live. Shomit, you know, the warning that had come in from some of the opposition leaders, and they had specifically named, including OAC, naming Chandrababu Naidu as well as Nitish Kumar and Chirag Paswan as well, saying that remember who voted for you. Imran Masood of the Congress party saying, remember who voted for you. The voters will remember and teach you a lesson. But very clearly, undeterred by these statements, the allies of the NDA have decided to back the amendment.
Well, that's true, Pratibha. You know, Owaisi and, Imran and also Uddhav Shiv Sena's leaders have questioned, Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar. And Owaisi has several times questioned Chandrababu Naidu because he clearly knows that several, when it comes to the Andhra Pradesh, minorities have voted for the Chandrababu Naidu. Several minority leaders have supported Chandrababu Naidu in Andhra Pradesh. And that is the reason he has questioned, Chandrababu Naidu that you should remember, because even Nitish Kumar, because you should remember that who voted for you. That means Muslims have voted for you. You should remember this. And this will not be forgotten in the history is what they have stated. However, Chandrababu Naidu has requested for 3 amendments, major amendments, is what we are given to understand, and top sources from the CMO has confirmed this, that for all these 3 amendments the centre has accepted, and they have also made those amendments in the amendment bill is what we are given to understand. And Chandrababu Naidu has given a nod and also instructed all the TDP MPs, because TDP has a massive figure. So they have informed more than 15 MPs who are present in the Delhi right now in the national capital that they should be present. Already yesterday whip was issued that all the TDP MPs should be present in the parliament, and now the instructions also been issued to all the MPs that they should be voting in favor of the Waqf Amendment Bill. So very big decision coming in from the Chandrababu Naidu's party, and already instructions have been issued to the TDP MPs.
Yes. Yes. Absolutely. Well, Shomit, thank you for joining us with those details. Our colleagues